Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by combining 2 cups sugar, 2/3 cup corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water in a heavy saucepan. Stir briefly to moisten. Place a candy thermometer on the pan, then heat over medium-high. You want a steady simmer, no aggressive stirring, to dissolve crystals and avoid splashing. Once the syrup clears and reaches about 300 degrees F, hard crack, remove from heat quickly. Make sure to measure flavor and color so you can add them immediately off heat. Once done heating to 300 degrees F, reduce movement and prepare to flavor. You add 1/4/1/2 tsp concentrated flavor and a few drops gel color off the heat. This preserves bright taste and prevents burning the extract. Make sure to swirl gently to combine without aerating. Air creates bubbles. Use a heat-proof pourer or ladle to fill silicone molds, aiming for even thickness. Insert 3. Let the lollipops cool undisturbed for 20-30 minutes until firm, then gently flex molds to release. You should immediately wrap each candy to keep moisture out and prevent tackiness. Use twist ties or heat sealer. Store in a cool, dry place away from humidity. If a batch cloudy or grainy from crystallization, don't throw it out. Return the syrup to the pan, add 1-2 tablespoon water, and reheat to roughly 200.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.